avoid probate, and can I avoid probate? Well, the should portion depends on your factual circumstances. If you have an uncomplicated estate, one child, and you have a small estate and an uncomplicated estate in New York, it can't be straightforward. If I have thousands of dollars in a bank account, I want it to go to my one child, I'm a single person, all of my estate, my child, everything I own goes to that child, this adult child. Probate doesn't have to be bad. It's not that costly, and you can. However, it's time consuming. So do you want your child, I just picked up one scenario, right? A single person with an adult child, and we could go through several scenarios. If you want that child to have access to the money right away, probate might not be your answer. Now, should I probate? Should I avoid probate? Well, more often than not, people want to avoid probate for a number of reasons, and those are the time delay associated with going to the court, probating a will. They want immediate access, not them, right? Because they would have passed away. They want their loved ones, the person that's inheriting, the beneficiary, they want that person to have immediate access to their money, to their property, to rent collection, to be able to sell things, to liquidate things, right? So the person that's preparing a will may instead choose to use a trust, because a trust can avoid probate. Simple, uncomplicated. Use a will with the understanding that it will take time for your loved one to access that asset. That's the should part. And can you avoid probate? Yes, you can. You can avoid probate by taking several steps in a comprehensive plan. Beneficiary designation, payable on death accounts, and the use of a trust. Those are the three primary ways to avoid probate. When you avoid probate, other circumstances can take hold. So if you have more than one child and you leave a payable on death account to one child, what do your several other children do? If you have assets in your name and then in a period before you pass away, there's a period of infirmity, incapacity, you need caregivers, you need to go to a nursing home. Well, the assets that are in your name aren't that helpful for you in order for you to qualify for Medicaid or other government programs. So we need to take a reasoned approach, think about what you have, where you want it to go, how you want it to go, and what are the ramifications along the way. We can work through it. FrankBrunoLaw.com.